Hello guys, welcome to Mike's channel again. So we start running all kind of crazy experiment with the all different kind of tweeters. These tweeters is the top rated and the best sellers. The reason why I choose 12 of these tweeters because a lot of people buying it, a lot of people put the good reviews. Only couple reviews these tweeters has, either they burn the tweeters or they couldn't just install that the right way. Some guys is complaining is that the too deep, like it's not the fitting or the magnet size, all kind of crap. But actually nobody says how's the sound quality. So we're gonna find out today. We have a DS18 Pro tweeter. This is $35, $36 per pair. It comes with the filter. It's a nice quality built tweeter. And we have another we have a Skar Audio here. This one is a $30 per pair. So it comes with two. DS18 is 350 watt maximum power and 225 RMS. It comes pair, and this one has a 300 watt RMS, so it's the more powerful than this DS, but we're gonna find out. It's 150 watts RMS, yeah, on this one, but on the website it says a 300 watt RMS because to the pair, right? So this one is powerful than this. And I have a Pioneer here for $33 per pair. It's a very nice build quality also, and it's only $33. And I have a little guy right here. This is okay. The Pioneer is a 3/4 inch high efficient Pro series bullet tweeter, right? This one also, it's around 250 watt maximum impedance, like impedance is 4 ohm, and the 250 watts, like it's some places it says 350, some places 300. It's 200 RMS, all kind of the information. So Orion, this is the smallest guy and the cheapest guy. This is only $16.95 per pair. Is there like crazy deal now? It's on Amazon. This company is a very nice company. This is a 300 watts peak power on these tweeters. Also, I'm gonna run these tweeters versus something like this, right? Because this is the comparative for this. But I want to see the sound quality now for these three like similar tweeters, and I'm gonna run these all tweeters with each other. So I'm running my Rode microphone all the way on the back, like 10 feet away, and also I have a second microphone so you guys can hear my voices better. When I'm running these tweeters, I'm gonna disconnect the microphone. So now we're gonna play some music. This is the DS18. We're gonna play some music. Oh, that's too loud. So I'm gonna disconnect my closer microphone, and I'm gonna run like the Rode microphone all the way in the back, so you guys can hear the difference. Oh shit, I need the earplugs, bro. These tweeters can kill me right now. It's like, what is loud, I don't know. It's only these two tweeters. It's gonna be dramatically change your sound quality. And yeah, all right. So now, these two is almost the same sound output. Oh, what happened with this guy? Yeah, this is a lot thinner, so frequency response on this a lot higher, so you don't hear, for example, this is a tweeter's the frequency, right? These guys is playing right here, these guys playing after them, so it's gonna be like more than 25,000, 50,000 kilohertz. Let me run this louder. Running loud. this one, it's a lot higher frequency response, a lot higher. Oh, this is much better. So this is like way higher frequency response, so you don't hear like mids, only just a tweet is like crystal clear, but I don't like this how it sound. So this is, maybe you gotta run this after the horn tweeter or after this. I think this is the frequency response is gonna be a lot lower, so you're gonna combine just to make the 100% full. This guy, yeah. Let me switch to the 4 microphone. Yeah, that's crazy. You see, all the tweeters, it sounds totally like different. I don't know how the microphone will pick it up, but for me, I think it's, if you add just the tweeters, right? So all the tweeters, it sounds totally different. For me, I think this guy adds. Oh shit. Oh shit, I need the earplugs. So this guy, it's punched a lot more mid, so it's like a horn, you know, the horn tweeters, like compression tweeters, and the plus like tweets, but it's not high like this guy. So this one is like adds like totally up. How I can explain to you? So up, but this guy is like mids also, it's a lot louder. So these two, it's the mids a lot louder, but these two guys, this one's also had a mids, but this guy is like absolutely low in the mids. And watch. What I'm gonna do side by side right away at the same time, so you guys can hear. So let's go. That's it. So this is the better sounding tweeters, DS18. If you guys want, you know, the tweeters, it's fulls up the mid-range. It's gonna boost a lot of mid-range. If you have a mid-bass speaker, this is the tweeter to go. Yeah, with the microphone it's gonna be a little tough for me. So I'm gonna show you the difference right now. What I'm doing here. Hello. Yeah, I'm gonna do the difference right now. This is a lot higher range. This is the mid range, right? So I'll put a little louder. Here we go. Do you see the difference? This one's gonna fill up a lot, these kind of tweeters. But this is, if you're missing like way higher tones, definitely you have to get these tweeter right here. But I don't know, but personally I don't like this tweeter because it gets too high. So next test is, so on this test it's gonna be number one. Let me double check this one real quick. No, because this guys goes with these guys. So on this fight, just in case, I'm gonna. Oh, yeah. You see that? This is addition, is extension for this tweeter, is definitely. Look. But if you have these kind of tweeters, I don't think so you even need these. If you wanna just be crazy, like full up every single notes, details, definitely you're gonna get this tweeter. But for now, if you have something like this, I don't think so you need this tweeter. So we're gonna put this one right here. Next test, it's gonna be these three guys. Almost the same build quality, everything the same. Just we're gonna find out how's the sound difference. It is worth the $85 or, you know. Let's check the other one.